Hello guys, welcome to a video. I'm going to be showing you what to do if your iPhone ever freezes. 1 second, let me see something. My camera is super zoomed right now, I don't know why. Shanker little shits. Alright. Okay, so my phone isn't frozen right now, but I'm going to do it anyways. So basically what do you want to do if your phone ever freezes? Mine's not frozen, but if it ever like freezes, you can't move the screen if you swipe left or whatever. If you can't do any of that, then what you want to do is press this, press that, and then hold this, and then wait until the Apple logo comes up, and then let go. And it should fix your phone. Like I said again, my iPhone isn't frozen, but yeah, it should fix your phone. So if your phone ever freezes or anything, just do that trick and it should work.